the colors on the houses. I found that there's some sort of ordinance. I don't know if it's for practical reasons, but all the houses have to be different colors. So it ends up looking pretty cool. I haven't seen anything like that. Just took a walk all the way downtown. It actually wasn't far from the hotel, but caught some amazing views. I'm at the port. I'm gonna try to get some cool drone shots here because everything looks really, really good. Found a really cool fish and chips spot. There's like fish and chips on every corner, but a taxi driver recommended me to this specific one that I had went to, and it was really good. So I took some pictures of it and sampled some of their beers because it's also a brewery. So that was a good lunch. Really cool. I just talked to this guy in this new store. He said he's just trying to bring some culture to the city, like, you know, some streetwear, all the hot brands, bring it into the city. Everything in there. You have like $200, $300 t-shirts. I'm not shopping there just yet, but I'm gonna go back and see what they have in the future. It was really cool to be able to look around there and see what they have. You know, I haven't even seen a shop like that in my own city, so it's cool being able to see one here. I have finished editing this second vlog. It's now almost 6 o'clock p.m. so I'm pretty exhausted. I'll probably order pizza and lay low tonight. The goal of these videos is to make them much better every day. That way both me and you would stay engaged. That's the big idea. There's a giant surprise wrapped into this entire project that will also unfold as these videos progress. Tomorrow is the last day here in Newfoundland. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. I will be making videos daily, so make sure to follow my social media as well. I'm going to be posting on there every day. So for now, I'm going to finish editing and we'll see you all tomorrow. So until then,